I'm gonna show you guys how to fix brake light or rear light on a Rivale MV Agusta Rivale 800. You can see it has several LED lights all the way down. So the left is all right, but the right one, I had to remove it. And I'm gonna show you how that is built. So we took it apart, and this is all assembled. So you just have to take a bunch of screws out, and you see a tape over this back here, and then you expose the whole shebang. So in my case, the first, second, third were okay. The last three were not lighting up because when one LED burns, depends how many are in series, they're gonna all stop working. So in my case, this one here burned out, and so this was off, this was off, this was off, and all three were on. So what I did, I had to go to wish.com, and I bought just a package of 50 of them. So you can see this very unique red LED, and it's red light. So it's not just the cover that is red, the light is also red. So you have to pay attention on the polarity of LED. So I removed the old one and resoldered the new one there, and actually those were 1 watts LED. So there are 5 watts and 10 watts. So this is bright enough. It's the same, actually it's the same. I got lucky because I didn't know if it was 5 or 1 or 10. I bought 1, and it's the same brightness of all of them. So it came out nice. So I'm gonna assemble this back and we're gonna test it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, all LEDs are working and ready to put the red glass back. See, brake. Good.